We're getting the drifter.
Skids for the kid.
Do skids, not kids.
Fucking weird.
Didn't know that was United here. Is that E85?
No, that's yeah, no, that is United.
Yeah. I mean, like, do they have E85
No,
here? Yeah. They only have E10. I mean, that's sort of, right?
Sure.
They're the same thing, yeah?
If you want, you can run it in your Skyline.
Alright, I'll be keen. I haven't used this camera in so long. I've forgotten how good it is.
Raleigh.
Oh, Raleigh.
We're going to Raleigh.
We're going Raleigh and fuck shit up. Oh, he's gonna fuck shit up. I'm just gonna film it.
And I'm one of them there spectators.
Well, goddamn spectators. You look so different without a beard.
I know.
Cuz just too sideways. Still rocking the socks and sandals. Let's make a triangle.
Barefoot bandit.
Yeah.
This is so fucking tumble.
I feel so red. This is retarded.
I want to kill myself.
Seal's going good. Select is going good. So we're trying to find a spot to do a sleep. Yeah, I think we just woke up everyone and now everyone hates you. We all just had some good, beautiful sleep. It was sick. We made a blanket fort and I was warm.
And who slept and who didn't?
I slept and we all slept.
Except for me, because Z is a fucking piece of shit that snores.
I snore a lot. That's why I don't have anyone to sleep with.
Poor Z.
That's a secret resty.
What? Alright, well, so we're here at Raleigh. How long have we been here already? Since like 8 o'clock? Yeah, Locky had a couple runs. I went on one of them as a passenger. He's definitely getting better. Those Skylines, I want them back on the road, but something must have happened to them. Those guys, you can tell that they've done this so many times because they've got like a gazebo set up already.
Yeah, just fucking hottie.
Yeah. Waiting on Locky to finish his sesh so I can get some beauties. I could probably jump the fence, get some nice shots. No? You know? No, I'll probably get banned.
You know, you can also get kicked out and banned.
Yeah, I was thinking that. I don't think that would be a good idea. Maybe I'll do that for halfway hangs.
Definitely get booed.
Booed?
They stopped the whole track activity because there was a drone flying over last year.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Just a drone? Fair enough. Alright, so what's the plan for Project Z? We're doing vlogs. We're doing vlogs.
Fuck bitches.
We're fucking bitches. No, I don't fuck bitches. What the fuck's Locky?
I don't know, let's say we go get some food.
Yeah, nothing's happening at the moment. I'm gonna get food. Yeah. So here's a better outlook on the Raleigh track. We got 2 Skylines and a Cressida going at it today. Well, at the moment. Here comes the Cressy. God damn this zoom. And he only just got back on the... No, this is his first run actually. He spent his whole morning trying to swap out the diff, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Looks good. Oh, here comes the Skylines. Doing some friendship stuff. Oh, there's a tree in the way. So that's a 33 with a 32. We just got food from this sketchy kebab shop that we felt like that we didn't feel like it was safe to film because I really thought my Us was gonna be filled up with tabbouleh and hummus, so you know, like I was like, yeah, no, that's
Fucking chips were shit.
yeah, chips are shit.
Undercooked.
Oh, hello, sir. Hello, sir. How's your day? That's a stick. So that seems to be all the footage I've gotten from our trip to Raleigh Raceway, which was only a like small little private event that one of my friends organised, which invited me out to film Lockys S13 and also just hang with the boys. Anyway, I thought I might give you a little update on what's going on. Next we're going to film Nathan's Evo 6. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see what's going on in my little garage. Right now I got a B18 Delsol, which needs some, you know, some minor work. As you can tell, it's not the greatest. Well, this one speaks for itself. Not in the greatest condition because I did buy this for like $700 and slapped a B18 in it. And then this is my real car, or my main bitch, which is a 32 GTS4. Still has the factory RB20. At the moment it's going through a turbo upgrade after the last turbo, which was that one there, that small custom turbo, which is like a G20, no, T25 or T28, whatever the fuck. I'm gonna upgrade it to a T3, T4. And so that's like currently what I'm working on, just waiting on parts. And then for my next project is my 5th gen Prelude, which is just a car that I'm flipping. Just requires a new engine, H22, and I've already sourced out a couple parts here and there for it. I'm gonna pick up a new engine once I'm done with the Skyline and get it back on the road. Currently just needs a retune and then paint the guards, fix it up real nicely until I'm comfortable to start on the next project, which is the Prelude. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below and see you in the next one.